Hello, would you like to travel with me to see Horizontal Waterfalls? I was surprised when I first heard that they exist. Welcome to the Horizontal Waterfalls. To see the Horizontal Falls, I must fly to Broome, a small town of 15,000 people on the west coast of Australia. Each year, tourists can visit the Horizontal Falls from May to October. You would think that you would fly to Broome one day, visit the Horizontal Falls one day, and fly back one day, but no. I contacted my travel agent and the Broome Visitor Centre a year before. They recommended that I book extra days in Broome in case the weather is bad. Tourists need good weather because they fly in a seaplane from Broome to the Horizontal Falls. The Horizontal Falls are a natural wonder in Talbot Bay, approximately 250 kilometers from Broome, but there is no road. Talbot Bay is only accessible by boat or seaplane. Flying to the Horizontal Falls takes about 1 hour. Each passenger has a window seat. We will land there, a floating building much larger than I expected. We continue by boat to the Horizontal Falls. The tides in Talbot Bay can be as high as a 4-story building, 12 meters. These massive tides try to flow through 2 narrow gaps in Talbot Bay and create the Horizontal Falls. The boat visits both Horizontal Falls, but unfortunately only passes through one, not both. The reason is that an accident happened in 2022. A tourist boat crashed into a rock face. More than 10 tourists were seriously injured. Perhaps tourism will be banned. It was not clear when I was there. The height of the Horizontal Falls can be as high as 4 meters, and the force that they exert can be frightening. Back where the seaplane landed, tourists can swim in a safe cage, not in the wild waters of the Horizontal Falls. What you see is a nurse shark, almost never dangerous to humans. On the way back, the seaplane flies over the Horizontal Falls so that every tourist also sees them from the air. The weather was fine. There was no delay in visiting the Horizontal Falls. I had 3 more days in Broome and was able to do sightseeing. The beach where the Thursday night markets take place is also popular to view the optical illusion Staircase to the Moon. I came with an Australian who was visiting Broome on business and was staying in the same hotel as me. Unfortunately, we did not see a staircase to the moon. But here is a photo from Wikipedia. Streeter's Jetty was built in 1897 for pearl merchants. The Aboriginal name, Jin Guaramarnin, means where fresh water enters the mangroves. In the 1910s, Broome was a boom town. It provided 80% of the world's mother of pearl. The pearl industry was dependent on divers from Asia, mainly from Japan. The pearl divers had to work long hours. Due to fatigue, up to 50 dives per day, unsafe conditions, bad weather, and decompression sickness, the bends, they had a high mortality rate. The Asian community of that time founded Broome's Chinatown, which now is the city center. Despite the White Australia policy, 1901 to 1958, no immigration to Australia if you're not white, Asians were given work permits to keep the pearl industry alive. The Japanese cemetery in Broome honors the many divers who lost their lives in the pearl industry. In 1889, a telegraph cable was laid between Broome and the island of Java, Indonesia. Today, this place is called Cable Beach. There are restaurants, you can enjoy a drink. Matso's Brewery produced the first alcoholic ginger beer in Australia. Beagle Bay is about 150 kilometers from Broome. When the First World War began, Australians no longer trusted German monks. The monks were not allowed to leave Beagle Bay. They built the Sacred Heart Church. The local Aboriginal people helped a lot. It has an impressive interior adorned with mother of pearl. The Cretaceous period was about 145 to 66 million years ago. Sauropod dinosaurs, ornithopod dinosaurs, and Stegosaurus were herbivorous. Theropod dinosaurs were carnivorous. 130 million years ago, these dinosaurs roamed the coast, the swamps, and the swamp forests. They left amazing fossilized footprints in the sandy soil. Tourists can see the fossilized footprints at low tide. It was good that I came here with a guided tour because I didn't recognize many fossilized dinosaur tracks. She said, we should pay attention where we step because fossilized dinosaur tracks can easily break off. The Broome Historical Museum has more information about pearls, divers, and dinosaurs. It displays many shells and Broome's one-day war in 1942. The Second World War raged in Europe, North Africa, and the Pacific, but no one expected an attack here. Many civilians died. I really enjoyed my time at the Broome Historical Museum. I was impressed. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.